Okay, students. So today in this class we will study chapter number 6. Okay. Wait, Okay, this is chapter number 6. Okay. So random number generation. Property of a random number. Okay, what is random number? Random number is nothing but it is a number in random order. Okay, for example, you will say 2, you will say 10, you will say 7, you will say 15, any number, but lazim in random order. Okay, so what are the property? There are ithnain property. There are two property. Number one is statistical. There are two property. Number one is uniformity. Number one is uniformity, and number two is independence. Yani there are two important statistical property. Number one is uniformity, and number two is independence. Okay, so there are two properties. Okay. Now what are sequence of randomness? So R1 yani random number wahid, R2 yani random number ithnain. Okay, so there are two random number R1 and R2. So what will happen? This is the Qanun for random number fx equal to 1 0 0 less than equal to x 1 otherwise. Okay, so from here to here is the property number one uniformity, property number two independence. So there are two property and this is the formula. Okay, mumkin nus marks question or 1 marks question. Uktub the property of a random number with the help of and write down the formula. So you will write. Next, pseudo random number. What is pseudo? Pseudo yani false random number. Okay, so we have false random number. So pseudo random number. Mumkin nus mas question. Dash means false random number are generated. Yani pseudo. You will select pseudo. Understand, Muhammad? All student understand? Uktub message. Understand wala maafi. This is theory. Huh, students?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now, these are the arba point 1, 2, 3, 4. Delete Khamsa. These are the Khamsa point. How you generate the random number, or you can say what are the method to generate a random number. So step number one, the number mafi uniformly distributed. Mafi uniformly distributed yani if you uktub itnain arba 6 8 ashra yani hina itnain fasla itnain different. So if like this, then mafi yani that's why not uniform. Mumkin like this 7 this 10 15 17 yani difference mafi same. This is step number one. Number two, the generated number may be discrete value, mafi continuous value. Discrete value yani, for example, if you took 2 4 7 ashra 15, so this yani increasing order, yani the number are in increasing order. So if like this, then mafi lazim discrete. So how discrete? So like this 2 3 1 15 7 and 8 10. Okay, so like this. Understand, students?
Again, please.
Okay, wait. I think there is some problem in my computer. Okay. Number two is discrete, यानी लाजिम discrete value, माफी continuous value. Continuous value यानी for example, if you write इतनेन, अरबा, 7, अशरा, 15, 18, अशरीन, यानी this यानी increasing order, यानी increasing from 2 you will go to अशरीन. But if you took like this, then this is khata. You will look to like this: 2, 3, 15, 1, 7, 5. Yani
Odd
some
number.
increase, yes, some increase, some decrease. Okay. Yani mafi ala tul kullu increase. Some increase, some decrease. So this is number 2. Number 3, the mean of generated number may not be too high. For example, there is Wahid A, Wahid B, Wahid C. Mean yani talata number, yani talata divided by talata. Mumkin, let's say X. This answer X, माफी लाजिम हाई, माफी लाजिम लो, यानी माफी टू हाई, माफी टू लो, यानी द आंसर of the mean is mafi high, mafi low. This is number 3. Next, variance of the generated number. Variance yani like this: itnain, hina arba, 5, ashra, 16, oh sorry, 7, hina let's say 10. So hina come first difference 2, hina come difference 3, 5, hina come difference 2, hina come difference 7, 8, 9, hina talata. So this is known as variance. So variance means the difference between the two number. So this difference between the two number, mafi too high, mafi too low. Understand, students? So these are the arba point. In exam, you have to write only the theory. Okay, only write the theory. Okay, again I will tell you. Yani in here you will look to number mafi uniform. Here you will write may be uniform distributed instead of continuous. Here you will write the mean of the number mafi high, mafi low. Here you will write variance of the number mafi high, mafi low. So these are the harba point. Okay, students, understand? Now this linear congruential method. This is very important. Every student has to understand this. If Mafi understand this, then problem. Wait for Wahid Dagiga. Okay. So here you have to understand linear congruential method. Actually, I am now at college. Okay. Linear congruential method. So remember this X, this is Kanun. This is Kanun for linear congruential. I plus 1 equal to A xi plus C mod M. Okay. What is uh, what is M? M yani, here see it is written M yani modulus. So you will write modulus. What is C? C yani, here see it is written C is the increment. So you will write increment. What is A? A, see in the question here, A is any constant. Okay, A is the constant, and what is X? This yani it is SEED. So mumkin in exam question, explain the formula for linear congruential method. So you will write the formula and uktub English like A yani constant, XI yani seed, C yani increment, M yani modulus. This is number one. Now Tani is Ri. Ri yani Xi divided by M. These are the two formula, very important. Every student should remember these formula. Understand or no? Students, this Xi, same. Students, any problem you can ask me. Huh? Students, clear or again? Okay. Now, this is number one. Now, number two, if C equal to सिफर यानी मुमकिन in exam question C equal to सिफर यानी ऐश C equal to सिफर यानी it is शुफिना मुमकिन नुस marks question MULTIPLACATIV multiplicative congruential method. If in exam C equal to C माफी equal to सिफर यानी ऐश शुफिना C माफी equal to सिफर यानी ऐश it is called mixed congruential मुमकिन नो स्मार्ट क्वेश्चन यानी select question mixed mixed congruential method. Okay, so these are the two C equal to सिफर C माफी equal to सिफर. Okay, now we will Alatul this understand or no Muhammad all students, because now we will solve the question Alatul. Here you will remember only this Kanun, remember this Kanun, and remember this Kanun. Understand? Clear, students? Okay, now we will see the question. So this is the question. Okay, like this you will get in exam. Given the following value, yani value मौजूद, generate a sequence of random number in the range using linear congruential method. Step I هنا اكتب अव्वल صفر واحد اثنين ثلاثة. So linear congruential method. Step number वाहिद is اكتب formula. Xi plus 1 यानी what is the formula? AXI plus C mod M. Tani formula Ri equal to Xi divided by M. This is step number 1. Understand or up to here? Student, because this is numerical question, open mic and tell me first. This is Mafi theory now. Lazim understand this numerical question, very important question. Same question in assignment itne also. This understand or no up to here? Yeah, student, what I am telling, you understand up to here or no? Students, मौजूद वाला स्लीपिंग, ऑल स्टूडेंट्स अवेलेबल वाला स्लीपिंग, okay, I think all are, yes, students. So tell me, open mic and tell me, Doctor, up to here I understand, up to here again. Like this you will tell. If you not tell anything, then how can I teach? Tell me. Because this is numerical question. Lazim all student understand. Okay. So up to here understand or no? Yani I will start the numerical now. I will solve the numerical. Okay. As you wish. Now after this, step number 1, you will write here 0, here write 1, here write 2, here write 3, and draw like this. 0 meaning is you will write x 0 and r 0. 1 meaning is x1 and r1. 2 meaning is x2 and r2. Yes. And 3 meaning is x3 and r. Yes. Okay. So after this, yani this is step number itne. Now x0 yani uktub this formula. x0 yani sorry, x0 मौजूद इन क्वेश्चन. शुभ x0 यानी खमसा. ओके. x1 उक्त फॉर्मूला a x plus c mod m. हिना also x यानी उक्त फॉर्मूला a x plus c mod m. हिना उक्त a x plus c mod m. Okay, r1 यानी this should ri यानी ri equal to xi divided by m. So r1 meaning is x1 divided by m. r2 यानी x2 divided by m. r3 यानी x3 divided by m. r0 यानी x0 divided by m. Up to here understand or no, student?
Yes, yes.
Okay. After this, now understand this because this is so difficult. x1 हिना लाजिम वाहिद नगीस यानी 1 minus 1 कम 0. हिना इतनेन हिना लाजिम कम वाहिद नगीस यानी इतनेन minus 1 कम 1. हिना 3, so हिना कम
3 minus 1.
yes 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. Oh sorry, yes, you are right. 3 minus 1 yani 2. Good. Okay, now understand this. Wait. Okay, this x0 yani ash, this x0 yani answer from hina. This x wahid yani ash, x wahid yani the answer from here. This x2 yani ash, x2 yani answer from here. Okay, now we will calculate. Now Shuf, this x0 khamsa मौजूद, no problem. r0 equal to x0, x0 कम x0 कम 5, m कम m यानी हिना शुफ इन क्वेश्चन मौजूद अशरा. So m divided by ashra यानी 0.5. So उक्तुब हिना x सिफर यानी खमसा, r सिफर यानी 0.5. Any problem? Up to here clear?
The formula is the x plus c, huh?
Yes, ax plus c. Okay, you have to remember this formula. Now step number this. Now we will calculate wahid. So how to calculate wahid? Here formula मौजूद. A x0 plus c. So what is the value of a in the question? Show value of a मौजूद.
5.
No, again show value of a. Value.
8.
Yes, 8 multiply by what is the value of x cipher?
5.
X cipher यानी 5 plus c यानी कम in the question मौजूद 11. Okay, बादेन mod m यानी कम m10. So if you calculate this, then this mumkin answer yes 51 mod ashra. Now hina shoya mushkila. Now shuf 51 mod ashra, 777 mod 100, 87 mod ashra, 85 mod 100, 175 mod 1000 talata 0. Okay, so if you want to calculate 51 mod wait, you are seeing my screen or no?
No. Yes. Now yes.
Now yes. Okay. Okay. Now see, if you want to calculate 51 mod ashra यानी कम सिफर, वाहिद सिफर. वाहिद सिफर यानी शील आखिर रकम, यानी वाहिद is the answer. हिना शुफ mod 100 यानी कम सिफर, इतनेन सिफर यानी शील आखिर इतने नंबर यानी 77. हिना शुफ 87 mod ashra यानी कम, वाहिद सिफर यानी कम आंसर. Tell me. हिना
The answer 7.
Yes, शील वाहिद आखिर यानी 7. Okay. Now शुफ 85 mod 100 यानी इतनेन सिफर यानी शील इतनेन रकम आखिर, इतनेन रकम यानी दिस कुल्लू यानी 85. हिना शुफ yes 1000 यानी तलाता सिफर यानी शील तलाता आखिर नंबर यानी कम आंसर 175. क्लियर? 175 because hada 1000 alf. Okay, yes. Okay, now come back to the question. Hina 51 mod ashra, answer come. (51 mod ashra). So answer come. Ashra यानी वाहिद सिफर. So answer यानी tell.
1.
Yes, answer is 1. Now show R1 equal to x वाहिद यानी answer वाहिद. So उक्तु वाहिद divided by m यानी ashra यानी 0.1. उक्तु हिना 1, हिना 0.1. Any problem up to here?
In x0, why we don't do like x1?
Here?
No, to the left side. You see the mode?
Here, yes. Here?
Yes, here.
Because this x0 value already मौजूद in question.
Okay, we don't need to calculate, huh?
Yes, we no need to calculate. Okay, now we have to calculate x2. So already we took the formula. Now just put the value. So a yani come, tell me. A yani
8.
a yani 8 multiply by now x wahid. What is the value of x wahid?
x0. 0
x
0.1.
x wahid x1 x1 yani hada شوف هنا
Yes,
x1
yes,
يعني
number
هذا
1, yes.
yes 1 plus c يعني कम
11.
11 mod 10. So 8 plus 1 yani 8 and hada 18 mod 10. So 18 mod 10 yani कम
8.
wait 18 hada 19 because 8 and 11 yani 19. 19 mod 10 yani 9. Okay, now R2 equal to x itnen. X itnen yani hada 9. So 9 divided by yani hada 0.9. So uktub hina hada 9 hada 0.9. Any problem? Any student? Clear
No,
up to here?
clear,
Okay.
clear, yes, good. Understand.
Now x3. Here tell me a yani come. A yani मौजूद in question. A yani 8 multiply by. Now tell me x itnen yani come.
9.
What is yes x इतनेन यानी 9 प्लस c मौजूद इन क्वेश्चन 11 बादेन मॉड m यानी 10 so 8 into 9 plus 11 هذا كله 83 mod 10 so tell me what is 83 mod 10 83 mod 10 tell me
3.
answer is 3 okay so here r3 yani talata divided by ashra yani 0.3 so here up to 3 here 0.3 any problem students understand clear this
Yes, yes, clear.
okay so this is the question now we will see the in the kitab also question मौजूद this is the question in the kitab هنا شوف x0 मौजूद a मौजूद c मौजूद m मौजूद so step number वाहिद उक्तुब هنا सिफर هنا वाहिद هنا इत्नेन هنا तलाता like this and here you will uktub the formula oh sorry Galamtani x0 यानी x0 I think मौजूद in question r0 यानी x0 divided by m हिना x वाहिद and r वाहिद x वाहिद यानी a x हिना x कम वाहिद नगिस वाहिद यानी सिफर प्लस c mod m and r वाहिद यानी x वाहिद divided by m now इतनेन यानी x इतनेन यानी हदा a x इतनेन minus वाहिद यानी वाहिद plus c mod m हिना r इतनेन यानी x इतनेन divided by m तलाता यानी x तलाता यानी a x तलाता माइनस वाहिद यानी इतनेन प्लस c mod m so here r3 equal to come x3 divided by m okay so up to here clear this is step number 1 you have to write the formulas students up to here clear tell me
Clear.
okay now you can see x0 in the question the value of x0 is available it is 27 so you will write 27 now if x0 27 you will calculate so x0 27 divided by m मौजूद in question it is 100 so it is 0.27. In Octube table I, xi, ri 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is 27, 0.27. Now next, a मौजूद in question 17 multiply by x0 this 27 plus c मौजूद in question 43 mod 100. So this will come maybe
500.
how 502, huh? I
Yes.
think. Okay. So it will come 502 mod 100. So now show 100 यानी इतने डिजिट यानी आखिर इतने यानी कम आंसर 02. Now
We are
x1 02 or 2 meaning same, huh?
yes, meaning same.
Yeah, meaning same. x1, now x1 is 02 divided by 100 यानी कम आंसर 0.02.
02.
Yes, so here write 2, here write 0.02. Okay, now same like this, you will calculate this. A yani 17 multiply by x1. x1 is 2 plus c yani 43 mod 100. So this will come, what is this? How many? 77 mod 100. Now tell me 100 यानी आखिर इतने डिजिट यानी कम आंसर
77.
yes 77. Okay, now here 77 यानी 77 divided by 100 यानी 0.77 R2. So to bina 77 0.77. Okay, x talata यानी a मौजूद in question 17 multiply by x2 यानी here you calculated value 77 plus c is 43 then mod 100. So here it will come around how many 1352 mod 100. So 100 यानी इतने डिजिट यानी आधा answer is 52. Now R3 यानी 52 divided by 100 यानी 0.52. So here uktub 52, here uktub 0.52. Okay students, I think close